What's up? The task of this video is to show the solution on how to get compound interest and simple interest. But before that, let's define what is interest. Interest is payment from a borrower or deposit-taking financial institution to a lender or depositor of an amount above repayment of the principal sum, that is the amount borrowed, at a particular rate. Now, let's define compound interest. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum of a loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on interest. The formula of getting compound interest is A equals P, open parenthesis, 1 plus R over N, close parenthesis, to the power of N times T. Where A is the final amount, P is the principal, R is the interest rate, N is the number of times interest compounded per time, and T is the time. Simple interest. Simple interest is a quick and easy method of calculating the interest charged on a loan. The formula of getting simple interest is I equals P times R times T, where I is the interest, P is the principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the time. So let's proceed on solving the given problems. Problem number 1. Prince took out a loan for 195,000 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3% interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan in 5 years? Here's the solution. We're gonna use the compound interest formula. The principal is 195,000, the interest rate is 0.43, the number of times is 1, and the time is 5. 195,000 times 1 plus 0.43 divided by 1 to the power of 1 times 5 is equal to 195,000 times 1.043 to the power of 5 is equal to 195,000 times 1.2343. So the final answer is 240,688.5 or 240,689. So the compound interest is 240,689. Problem number 2. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? In this problem, we're gonna use the formula of simple interest. The principal is 1,200, the interest rate is 0.08, and the time is 2. So 1,200 times 0.08 times 2 is equal to 192, and simply add the principal. So 192 plus 1,200 is equal to 1,392, and the simple interest is 1,392. Problem number 3. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earned in 10 years? This problem is same in problem number 2, so I'll just repeat the process. 48,000 principal times 0.12 interest rate times 4 is equal to 23,040. So we simply add the principal, which is 48,000. So the final answer is 71,040. And simple interest is 71,040. Problem number 4. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? Here's the solution. We're gonna use the compound interest formula. So the principal is 3,000. The interest rate is 0.029, the number of times is 1, and the time is 10. 3,000 times 1 plus 0.029 divided by 1 to the power of 1 times 10 is equal to 3,000 times 1.029 to the power of 10. 3,000 times 1.331 is equal to 3,992.78, and simply subtract the principal, which is 3,000. The answer is 992.78. So, the compound interest is 992.78. Problem number 5. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. So in this problem, we're gonna derive the formula for simple interest to find the principal. So the formula is P equals I divided by R times T. The interest is 3,500 and the interest rate is 0.10 and the time is 5. So 3,500 times 0.10 times 5 is equal to 3,500 times 0.5 and then 3,000 divided by 0.5 is equal to 7,000. So the principal is 7,000. Problem number 6. Mark borrowed 79,000 for 2 years and earned 10,017 simple interest. Calculate his interest rate. We're going to derive again the formula for simple interest. So interest rate equals interest divided by principal times T. So 10,017 divided by 2 is equal to 5,008.5 divided by 7,900 is equal to 0.063. So the interest rate is 6.3%. Problem number 7. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of profit has a rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? In this problem, we're going to find the time. And again, we're going to derive the simple interest formula to find it. The formula is time equals interest divided by principal times interest rate. So 55.20 divided by 230 times 0.03 and then 230 times 0.3 is equal to 6.9. So we simply divide it to the interest. So 55.2 divided by 6.9 is equal to 8. So the time is 8 years. That's all for this video. Keep safe and thank you for watching.